Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This 2013 Toyota Highlander Limited came today for the engine oil change, which is being finished right here. It came also for low beam, which is right here. The headlight burnt bulb. You can see it in different video how that was replaced on this channel. And the last item is, or the complaint is, that the rear brake light doesn't work. So looking at this light, it's apparently on this side. When I put the lights on, which is right here, right? The light, oh look, it's not going on at all, right? So this bulb definitely has some problem and it needs to be removed, and we will see if it's burned or there is a different problem. Now how you get it out. So I opened this bag already, removed the items which were in the trunk, and I will bet you we will be getting there through this opening. Hopefully I was able to fix our light issues, right? And I can show you what to do. So I will use this tool to pop this panel carefully without scratching it, right? Excuse that door, but it's so windy outside, it just keeps moving it. And now, if I look from outside, I believe this is the wire to that bulb. Now, I already did it like 6 months ago on the other side, and that was way worse access because I believe there is a rear AC unit. So let's see if I can unscrew this one. I will unscrew it counterclockwise. Oh yeah, good. This is way better, this side. If you have ever burned bulb on this generation, hope that it's on the driver's side. And I can see immediately this won't be a wiring problem. The bulb is completely black. Hopefully you will be able to see that. Do you see that black inside? This bulb is kaput and needs to be replaced. Here you hopefully can see brand new bulb, right? Replacement. I got it from the Toyota dealer. Just what's the price? It's approximately $8, right? So that's reasonable. The front bulb for that low beam was almost $30. That was different story. So I will take the bulb and nicely, carefully, did you hear that? I insert it in this socket. And now I will observe how it goes there, right? I need to insert it. I can be looking from outside. I can need to position it that all these mounts nicely click into each other. And that might take a little bit of play, right? And a little bit of patience. This probably won't happen in just 1 second. Oh yeah. So I kept turning it around until it nicely went all the way in, and then I turn it, in this case, clockwise, and it's nicely, firmly positioned there. Let's go look. I will shut off this light. Let's go look from outside. So this is new bulb, and let's go and put it on. Did we succeed? Was it the bulb? I don't doubt it. You know why? Because it was burnt, right? Now look at this. It's perfectly working. Not so bad, huh? All I have to do, just put back this. So you can see these that go on the bottom, right? And on the top, I will just carefully watch that it perfectly fits inside. The panel is back. I can put this stuff back for the owner, and their 2013 Highlander is ready to serve again. And we can see that the light is running, so that's one of the wires in that bulb. Let's also check that the brake light is working, right? And I know that many people in the future will find this video helpful. I'm happy I had extra time to film it for you instead of just rushing this repair and giving it back to the owner, so that's great. Make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos in the future coming your way. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, my friend.